Hi guys, George here and welcome to the second part of social tiered link building. So what are we gonna learn today? Today I'm going to teach you how to build social tier 1 and tier 2 links, how to further power those links so that your site really shows up on Google, how to import and manage all those tier 1 and tier 2 links. And I have got some very useful advice here, my personal tips and tricks on doing that. So we are gonna use a tool known as the Ninja Pinner, and I will show you the step-by-step method to build tier 1 and tier 2 links with it. Ninja Pinner is a very powerful tool and it allows you to auto repin, auto like, auto follow, auto comment on pins based on any keyword. You can further build backlinks to those images with more repins. You can literally search anything that's on Pinterest with Ninja Pinner, and it will load up pins, the images that others have already repinned like crazy. It's very fast and it's cheap. I use another tool also, but it comes on a monthly subscription basis, and that is the reason I have made a tutorial with Ninja Pinner. But other tool is also crazy and it's very useful. Ninja Pinner is very fast and cheap. Hi guys, this is the main interface of Ninja Pinner, and you can input your email and login. I'll log in with mine. As you can see, my cursor is idle here and Ninja Pinner does the login for me. I am involved in absolutely nothing. So my profile has come. It offers a ton of features like it will gather pins, auto like, auto comment, auto repin, and auto follow people. So the auto repin feature is something I like. Now let's go and gather images for a keyword website, and E has gone missing. It sometimes does that. The only thing that you need to do is type an E and click on the arrow button on the right side, and that's it. So as it loads images, once it's done, I will gather the pins and stop it. As you can see, the speed is quite fast. Second thing I will do is go to auto repin, select a board, for example web hosting review, select the number of pins that I will repin and input an URL. Yes, it does that, and start pinning. If a pin has already been repinned, it will show you that, and move on to the next image. So it has been successfully repinned. We'll stop that and I will show you my boards and show you how you can import the IDs, build a second tier of links. We'll go to web hosting review, and the next thing is we'll gather pins. Let me clear that first and start gathering pins. Okay, 25 is enough. Stop that and we will auto repin that to another board, web hosting. What we are doing here is creating a second tier of links, and we'll start pinning. As you can see, it shows the number of pins that have been repinned, and that is also another great feature with Ninja Pinner. It's truly a ninja. Let me stop that and go to some options, settings. As you can see, there's a setting here which allows you to disable the images so that you can browse faster. There are many other options, which all of them which you will find useful, and if you are using multiple accounts, I would suggest using a proxy. You can also export the pin IDs. Currently I am exporting the pins of my board web hosting review. I'll name it as pin, and I think they have been exported. These are the pin IDs. We will use Excel to make it a full URL. It's unfortunate that Ninja Pinner doesn't give me the full URL, but there are my personal tricks and tips which will help you to get the full URL from this. But if you just copy paste it directly into Excel approximates it into a number, and that is not what we need. As you can see, it just approximated it. These are all separate pin IDs. So what we will do here is shorten the number. Just click on the common numbers here, 143200461 and as you can see from the top to the end it's same. So we will select that, go to a great feature known as the replace and replace it with a dot, just a dot. 972 replacements, OK, and close it. As you can see, the pin IDs have been shortened. Next thing we'll do is type http pininterest.com/pin/ and we will select that and copy it all the way down, copy paste it all the way down. Just come to the end and paste it. We'll go to B and copy paste all the pin IDs. Did I not copy it correctly? I suppose. Let me check it once again. Okay, it's correct. We'll paste it. Okay. Now go to C. We'll type in is equal to A1 and B1 and press enter. So voila, we have a Pinterest URL. We'll just copy it all the way down and the operation will be repeated and we will get unique pin IDs. We will paste it down in Microsoft Word and you have to save it because before that I need to replace the zero dot. Excel puts a zero dot with the number and replace all. OK, and close that. We'll save this one because we need it for our future tiers. We will build links to tier 1 and tier 2 Pinterest images. For the second tier of images, what you need to do is go to the second board and repeat the process. We'll save it for a future so that we can build links to it with a software known as GSA Search Engine Ranker. So I will paste it here and save it. Okay, it's saved. If you have watched the tutorial so far, I am sure that you would have enjoyed it. You can watch more of them by clicking on the videos right now. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the yellow button now. And please share my tutorials. The more you share, the more I make. See you.